A top dog CEO has a deep sense of belief. What do I mean by that? You have to believe. Studies show the most successful people in this world are very optimistic. And a lot of times they're even overly optimistic. They just kind of believe that things are going to work out well for them, even though it might be something that others would consider completely impossible to do, right? If they think that things are going to work out well for them, again, they are embodying the emotions and the frequency to attract the opportunities, the situations, the people into their life that will help them along their path to make that impossible possible. And think about it. If you don't have a belief system that says no matter what, you're going to accomplish XYZ before you start out to do it, how likely are you to stay motivated when the tough gets going? Chances are that is going to be where you fall, where you crumble, because you don't even believe it's possible anyway. And it's so hard. How in the world is it ever going to be possible now, right? But if you believe, instead of thinking, oh, this is too hard, it's not going to work, if you continue believing, you're going to think other things such as, well, what can I do differently? Why isn't this working? Maybe if I try XYZ, maybe if I do ABC, right? You're going to constantly be looking for a solution instead of all the problems in front of you.